Hi everyone, this is Ronnie, and it's time again for a weekly update from SAP Online Track. These weekly updates are short videos around 1 to 5 minutes, where we try to update you on what has happened in the project since the last time, and also other useful information. We release them on YouTube every Wednesday at 10 o'clock Central European Time. Today we're going to talk about something that's my area of responsibility, and that is the technical platform. But first, we would like to thank one of the SAP Online Track sponsors. FAIR Consulting Group provide consulting services, designing and building systems to optimize customer experiences. They have a team of over 50 employees, spanning 15 nationalities and working from 3 offices in Australia and 1 office overseas. We in the SAP Online Track team would like to thank FAIR Consulting Group for their contribution to our fundraiser for Girls Who Code. Please visit the FAIR Consulting Group website at faircg.com for more information about their services. And you can also go to bit.ly SAP Online Track -fundraiser to see how our fundraiser for Girls Who Code is moving along. Now, on to the updates. A fair deal has happened since we started this project, and there's a lot of practical issues that needs to be resolved to pull something like this off. We are using GitHub both for hosting our website, but also as a project management tool. And these are public repositories. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to have a look. And we are welcoming every feedback with open arms. You can find a link in the description below. And you might not know this, but we are also on Twitter at the handle @SAP Online Track. And this is probably the best place to get ongoing updates directly from the team. And you can also reach us by direct message here, if you prefer that. Last week, we announced that we would like to arrange a panel discussion at SAP Online Track. And we asked you in the community for ideas for topics. And this we did in a question at answer.sap.com. We have some suggestions already, but we would of course like more. So we will extend that call for topics for another week to make sure that everyone has a chance to participate. And if you would like to be a part of a panel discussing a topic, please comment on the topic in question. So head on over there and submit your suggestions, and also vote for your favorite topics while you're there. You will find a link in the description below. I will get into further details around the technical streaming platform in a later update. But we are using YouTube for streaming, and that means that all videos from the event will come to the same channel as these updates and all other videos we create. So remember to subscribe and also press that bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever we publish something. One of the topics Anne was talking about in her update last week, and also one of the most important things about any community event is communications. And we view our communication platform as probably the most important part of our technical setup. Now, there's a lot of competing services out there, but we have chosen one that has a solid reputation in growing communities and also has some advanced features that we can use when we have the event. So we have selected something called Discord, and I would now like to show you our server. If you've never used Discord before, you can just head over to discordapp.com and register there. It's free, and unlike Slack, one login gives you access to all servers you have joined with that user. Then, when you have created your user, you can use bit.ly SAP Online Track -discord to join our server. You can find both links in the description below. When joining our server, you will see that there are 2 main types of channels there. You have text channels, which are just that, a channel where you chat by text, and these are marked with the hash symbol. Voice channels, on the other hand, are group channels, where you, in addition to having a voice chat, can share your screen. And these channels are marked with this speaker symbol. In addition to these, there are also options to direct message other users, and also to arrange video conferences with up to 10 people in a group DM. Now, Discord uses a role-based system for restrictions, and we are in the process of setting this up along with the channels. And we will have moderators on the servers to monitor and make sure that everyone can feel safe being here. And if you would like to help with this job, please contact us. Now, the server is open, so you can join us at any time. There might still be some small changes to its setup, but nothing major. And Discord is probably also the best way to reach the SAP Online Track organizing team. And you can find us by looking for our names in the admin section over at the right. And admins are marked with the blue handles. And Discord has native applications for Mac, Linux and Windows, and also mobile applications for Android and iOS. Now, this weekly update has been quite a mouthful, so it's time to round things off. We in the team would really like to thank all of you amazing people of the SAP community. We have lots of proposed presentations, and also people have volunteered to help during the event. But since this is a 24-hour event, we would really hope that even more want to join. So we will put some links to Google Forms down in the description for anyone who wants to either present or volunteer to help. And now, all that's left of this second weekly update is for me to be able to actually end this video. So I guess I'll see all of you online. And then it's bye for now.